Okay, hello teacher, hello boys. My travel in Bucaramanga. The travel was from 13th to 17th of January. The travel was with my mother and my brother. The first day. We arrived in Bucaramanga in the afternoon. Okay. Um, we went to lunch and then walked in the place near theater. Near theater. Okay. That day we met the park Las Cigarras and Acropolis Shopping Center. The second day. The second day, we went to Florida Blanca, to la Hacienda La Esperanza and del Cerro del Santísimo. Okay, that day, um, we we met the Eco Park and part of and sorry and no part of the of the beach Florida Blanca. Upon arrived at the hotel, we we went to pool and sauna. Okay, the third day. The third day. That day I woke up sick, and I had to went to the doctor. To enjoy the day, we visit the parks and shopping center of the city. Okay, um, that day I that day that day even though was sick, we know large part of the city. Okay, the fourth day. Okay, that day we went to Chicamocha Park. That day we arrived very late in the park, and we could not know everything. Okay, we meet the peasant market or mercado campesino. We got ready for the next day, return to the Bogota in the morning. Okay, 5 day arrived in Bogota. Thanks, thanks you.